Welcome to our channel. Solo travel can be enriching without being isolating. Step 1. Choose social accommodations like hostels or guest houses with common areas. Step 2. Join group tours or activities where you'll naturally meet other travelers. Step 3. Use social apps designed for connecting travelers in the same location. Step 4. Attend local events, meetups, or workshops that interest you. Step 5. Sit at bars or communal tables in restaurants to encourage conversation. Step 6. Take classes where shared activities create natural friendships. Step 7. Volunteer with local organizations to meet both locals and other volunteers. Step 8. Stay connected with loved ones through regular video calls. Step 9. Start conversations by asking for recommendations or offering help. Step 10. Join walking tours which combine sightseeing with socializing. Step 11. Be open about traveling solo as many people are interested in connecting. Step 12. Balance social time with alone time to recharge when needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.